In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Revolut account in the UK. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is download the Revolut mobile banking app on your Android or iOS device, meaning you can find it inside of the Play Store or the App Store. All you have to do is look for Revolut, and it should be the first app to pop up by Revolut Ltd. As you can see, it has this white R as the logo. Download and install the app, and once the process is done, open it up, and the first thing that you should see are short videos teaching you how the app works and how you can create and manage your account. I recommend you watch this in your own time if you wish, but as you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and let some of them play. It allows you to buy a lot of currencies, manage your expenses, and do your savings as you wish. Once you are done watching all of this, you simply have to click sign up at the bottom right corner of the screen to access the sign up process. The first thing that you have to do is confirm that you have a valid and legitimate phone number. So select United Kingdom from the list and input your mobile number. As you can see, this phone needs to be able to receive SMS, as it's going to send you a verification code. Once you are done verifying your phone number, you will have to include other personal information like your name, last name, email, etc. If everything looks in order and is legitimate, you will be able to access the features of the Revolut app as soon as your account is confirmed and validated. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a Revolut account in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.